Career opportunities in management are primed to grow substantially with every coming year. At the University at Buffalo School of Management, unique programs and collaborative MBA degrees prepare the next generation of ethical business leaders for the workplace with key partnerships and a level of personalization rarely seen in today's higher learning climate.
As a public research university, our mission is to be able to make a difference in the community, in the state, in the nation, and in the world. And we start that right here at home in Buffalo and Western New York. When I'm able to walk the halls and I see our students in action, they want to be leaders that make a difference in the world.
When I graduated from UB, I worked amongst people that came from fancy, expensive schools. The only difference was that they had way more debt than I did, and I was able to focus on my career versus worrying about a bill.
I would not be nearly as confident or well-schooled as I am if I hadn't chose the University at Buffalo.